am Mustamik Almati Baloch from Khartoum. Being a Baloch girl, I have my own culture and tradition. What is culture? Human behavior of society is known as culture. Belief, custom, art, religion, relation, thoughts and way of life is called culture. And culture is a powerful tool for survival of a nation and tribe. Who are Baloch and what's their culture? There are two main theories about Baloch. According to first theory, Baloch are Iranian ethnic group who are native to Balochistan region and they are Aryans. According to the second theory, Baloch are Semitic. They are offspring of the Sam Negro. They migrated from Arab land Syria and then they came to Gidroshia, present Makran, Balochistan after demolishing Malak Dam. Baloch people speak Balochi, Dravish, Raiki, Arabic, Hindi and Urdu. As we see history, land and language isn't a matter for a Baloch as like a Jew. Baloch have a rich culture and tradition. Culture of a Baloch has been passed down from a mother to a daughter and from a father to a son. Baloch have a rich tradition, food, music, jewelry and dresses. Baloch women wear pash, shalwar, sari, chadar and some wear burqa also. Baloch dress has its own aspect. Women put on loose pash, shalwar with colorful needlework. Baloch dress has a large pocket at the front of the dress which is decorated with colorful needlework. Upper part of the first is called jeep, which is decorated with colorful needlework. Women used to tasni to tie up the jeep. In the field of ornaments and jewelry, Baloch women wear dur, wali, paddur, badi, hatli, mangli, mundrik, bichu and tasni. Baloch have a rich traditional food. We Baloch serve our guests with madar, dalab, kofta, changal, sisru, suramaik, brinjinan. Music, shairi and dastan goi keep high value in Baloch culture and it play a great role. Baloch culture is rich in folk music, dances and songs. Famous wedding songs of Baloch culture are Nazik and Saluki song. The instruments used are mainly nal, tambura and surud. A common folk dance is known as docha. Women also move in a circle, clapping their hands on certain occasions. Other dances include reva, latti and hambu. Marriages. We Baloch believe in arranged marriage and life partners are commonly selected within the family. But we take an overview on history. We find too many love stories in Baloch culture. We find our dastas go shahid are admiring, praising their love stories and our whole culture inspired those love stories. Our wedding ceremonies have too many unique events. Balochi wedding starts with sila and pardaj and after that we give dawat and after that we have janigan diwan, jolbandi, dusiki shapeni, washti shapeni, bandri sargab, organ, nikah and saluki bandri nindani. We have a rich culture and we find too many unique things in our culture. For example,
Sawas, Katir, Manjo, Daran, Dalo, Tabahak, Tapak, Purwanak, Zaham, Son, Tagar, Kaidan, Chitkan, Kamardani, Hinza, Karki.